Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin someone on Snapchat Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the message icon, and here you can see all different conversations. So you simply need to hold any conversation, and here you can see that you have different options. So you simply need to click on the option of chat setting, and here you can see the option of pin conversation. Click on that option, and here you can see that add. Click on that, and let me show you. This conversation is pinned onto my home screen. So here you can see that now I can easily send that person a message or a video because that is pinned, and if I want, I can move that person to my home screen, to my front page. So this is a process by which you can pin someone on Snapchat Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.